Did you know that sparrows are one of the most common and diverse birds in the world? They have over 140 species and can be found on every continent except Antarctica. In this video, I am going to teach you how to draw and shade two of them with white charcoal on a black sheet of paper. Hi everyone, I am Faryal Gilani and welcome to Farishta Miraj, where I share my passion for art and teach you how to draw and paint various subjects. In this video, I am going to teach you how to draw and shade two realistic sparrows with white charcoal on a black sheet of paper. This is a great technique for creating contrast and depth in your drawings. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own beautiful sparrow drawings. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. While starting the drawing, let's talk about elements of art. As I mentioned in the title, these are the building blocks that help artists to create art. I made this drawing with two elements of art, line and shape. Talking about a line, we can say that a line is a moving dot on a surface. It can be curved or straight. The curved lines are called wavy and spiral. The straight lines are called directional lines also, such as vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. Shapes are one of the elements of art that help us to create forms in space in our drawings. These are organic and inorganic. Organic shapes come in natural objects, and inorganic shapes can be observed in man-made objects. We can consider geometrical shape as inorganic shapes. These are circles, triangles, squares, ovals, and rectangles. In this drawing, I have used shapes and lines to compose the sparrows. The shape of birds' eyes and beaks are made of inorganic shapes, triangles, and circles. The directional and curved lines are creating the texture of feathers. Lines help artists to shade in the drawing. I use medium pressure on my white charcoal pencil to create darker and thicker lines. I vary the intensity of the shading depending on the light source and the shape of the feathers. I also shade around the eyes to create contrast and make them stand out. Then we can add some details and highlights to our sparrows. I use a sharp white charcoal pencil to create fine and crisp lines. I add some strokes to create more textures and details on the feathers. I also add some white spots on the eyes to create reflection and life. I wanted to add another sparrow, this time The bird is flying, and I need to study its feather with my sharp charcoal pencil. I'm adding shapes to create the feather and scribble lines to shade the feathers. The small, irregular lines are creating a natural texture of feathers. Finally, we can erase any unwanted marks or smudges on our drawing. I use an electric eraser to gently lift off any excess charcoal from smaller details. Make sure to keep some areas lighter and some areas darker to create depth and dimension. And that's how you draw and shade realistic sparrows with white charcoal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Here's my final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to see your own sparrow drawings. You can tag me on Instagram. If you want to see more of my art videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.